County in north-central Georgia, Cobb County in north-central Georgia, Douglas County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, Pickens County in north-central Georgia, Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, eastern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, eastern Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, southeastern Murray County in northwestern Georgia, Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, Coweta County in west central Georgia, until 5:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Friday, at 11:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Newton, Douglasville, Kenton, Cartersville, Dallas, Jasper, Ellijay, City of South Fulton, Smyrna, Peachtree City, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Union City, Villa Rica, Powder Springs, Fairburn and Holly Springs. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads.